help you? You need to be suctioned? Mm-hmm. Or are you going to clear it yourself? I think you want to be suctioned. All righty. I want you to cry. Yes. Mm-hmm. You still holding your breath. Let me just get you a second here. You're fine. Don't know your own strength, huh?
Look at him, he's like restless.
Here we go. Let's help you out here for a minute. Yeah, it wasn't enough in there. That's enough to irritate you, huh? Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
You feel better?
Oh, yeah.
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 Yeah, let's get that out of your mouth. I don't like that. Mm-hmm.
Look at him.
You are such a fighter.
Oh, sounds so good to hear him cry.
Yeah, I want that off. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, your mouth looks better.
Yeah. You saw his eyes?